Hi there, welcome back to the ERSFEC Fast Start video training series. This module is going to cover inventory. In this video, we'll show you the basics and discuss how to add, edit, and organize your categories. In the next video, we'll start inputting your items, and in the third video, we'll cover advanced settings. So let's start by going to Admin, Products, Categories. So let's go ahead and click into Party Packages, and let's open up the live website and scroll down to the same category. Now we can see that the name and description that we entered in the back end of the system automatically populates to the web pages for the categories. That includes the URL or page path for the category. This is significant for your SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, as I'm sure you're aware, is very important for modern companies so that your customers can find you with web searches. It's helpful to have the category name form the page path because it provides Google and other search engine companies' web crawlers with useful content that describes your category and the services that your company offers. This helps the web crawlers figure out what your company does and what kinds of products and services you offer so that they can index your site accordingly. We'll dive deeper into SEO in a subsequent tutorial, but we wanted to briefly show you one of the many ways that ERS helps you under the hood with your SEO. Alright, so let's go ahead and add a new category. Now there are lots of fields in here, but the only ones we need to concern ourselves with at this time are name, picture, and schedule profile. We do eventually want to put a description in there, as descriptions can give your customers important information about your products and services, but also that's more content for Google and other search engines to find and give you good search rankings. So again, I'm not going to worry about description right now, but keep in mind when you do start doing your descriptions that this text editor can do lots of cool things like bolding or italicizing text, underlining, strike through. You have different alignments here. You can make lists. You can add links, additional images, tables. Think of this as similar to Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and feel free to get creative with your descriptions. Now, schedule profiles, price rules, and availability rule sets are the plumbing that the system uses to manage your inventory properly. Of course, different items have different requirements. For example, your axe throwing lanes are going to require time slots, whereas your party add-on pizzas are just going to be a retail or sales item. And we'll cover all that in a subsequent tutorial. For now, the main thing is just to make sure that any category we create does have a schedule profile. And when in doubt, it's always wise to go with main. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and submit. And we can see that the new category is now in our list of categories in the backend, and also on our live website. On the website, you might have to refresh the page to see the update. So let's create one more category, and we're going to use a helpful trick to do it. We're going to go ahead and click here to copy this category. This can be a useful way to save time when you're creating lots of categories or items that are similar to each other. So all I have to do here is update the name and the picture. And now that I've got those updated, I'm going to go ahead and submit. And there it is. And there it isn't yet because I haven't refreshed the screen. And there it is. Alright, so that about does it for our categories intro. Don't forget, if you have questions, you can always click on Help and go into the knowledge base and do a keyword search. And you can always reach out to the tech support department at 505-435-9731, extension 102, or support at eventrentalsystems.com. Our next video will be about adding and editing items. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.